On February 12th, Pi Network officially announced that the Open Network will launch at 8 o'clock UTC on February 20th, 2025. This is the most anticipated event for the PiCoin community. Will Pi be listed on Bitget? The answer may surprise you. Pi Network is a cryptocurrency project that enables easy mining on smartphones. Founded by Dr. Nicholas Kakalis and Dr. Cheng Diaofan from Stanford University. The project launched on March 14, 2019. By March 2022, the network had reached 33 million users. Currently, Pi has no real trading value, but that will change when the mainnet officially launches on February 20th, 2025. We are excited to announce that Pi Network Pi will be listed on Bitget in the Innovation, Web3, and Public Chain Zone. Deposit, TBD. Trading February 20th, 2025, 8 o'clock UTC. Withdrawal February 21st, 2025, 9 o'clock UTC. Trading pair, Pi USDT. To celebrate Pi's listing, Bitget is hosting a $60,000 Pi Airdrop. The event will take place from February 14, 2025, March 3, 2025 UTC. Here's how you can participate. Identity verification KYC. Complete KYC 1 to receive 3 USDT 2000 winners. Deposit, earn 3 USDT depending on the deposit amount. Trading, rewards for trading volumes from 100 USDT 3 million USDT. Join the South Asia Telegram group, earn an extra 5 USDT. How to sell Pi coins after listing, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Register for a Bitget account. To sell Pi tokens, you need a Bitget account. Follow these steps to register. For website users, register using the link in the description. For app users, download the Bitget app. Provide your email or phone number and set up a password. Note: enter the Bitget referral code W8 to receive up to 6,200 USDT in new user benefits. Complete identity verification kit to enable trading and withdrawals. Step 2. Transfer Pi to Bitget. Before withdrawing, you must complete KYC verification. While deposits are not restricted, transferring Pi tokens to Bitget will only be possible when on-chain deposits for Pi are enabled. To transfer Pi from your Pi Network wallet to Bitget, open the Pi Network app and go to your wallet. Copy your Bitget deposit address for Pi from your Bitget account under Deposits. Paste the Bitget deposit address into the Pi Network app and confirm the transaction. Step 3. Place a sell order. Once your Pi tokens are deposited in your Bitget spot account, you can trade and sell them. Follow these steps. Navigate to the PU's trading pair. Enter the amount of Pi you want to sell. Review the details, and click Sell Pi to complete the transaction. To celebrate the Pi listing, Bitget is hosting an airdrop event where participants can win a share of $60,000 Pi by completing simple tasks. Event duration, February 14, 2025, March 3, 2025 UTC. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Happy trading on Bitget.